Hello there, welcome to my challenge activity solution video for 9.2.2 linked list negative value counting. So the objective of this challenge activity is to assign the negative counter with the number of negative value in the linked list. Alright, if we're looking through this code from down here, it is possibly going to give us 10 number of random numbers, either negative. So, and in here it's going to print out the list of number that they're going to give us. So for example, I'm just going to test this thing out with this code. I just want to see what kind of number that we generate. So I just put in here real quick. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Hold up. Let me just delete that right there. So if I want to see those random generated number they're gonna give us, just for example, they're gonna give us -3 and -2 and -8. And notice how that it asks for the number of negatives, which is equal 0, because we didn't input any code in this line yet. But the expected output is that there are 3 negatives number, which is -3, -2, -8. So basically, our goal is to write an if loop, an if that count how many negative numbers are in the given random generation of numbers. So to do that, I'm gonna write an if. I'm gonna use current objective because count the number of negative numbers. So j dot get data val. It is quite similar to this code, but except I'm not printing it out. I'm just counting how many negatives number will be. So I will be less than 0 because we want negative numbers, and I will close that. So, and then it tells us to assign a negative counter, so that would be negative C R and then plus. Bam, that's it. And then close loop. So this will count, like increase how many negative numbers that the system have found. So let's see how this will do. All right, there you go, guys.